Hello friends, the car we are checking out today is a 2009 Toyota Camry, which is a completely built unit from Japan. And this being the top of the line W4 variant, it comes with a 5-speed automatic transmission and an electric tilt sliding sunroof. On the front, the Camry features several smart features such as automatic rain sensing wipers and automatic headlamps with auto leveling and headlamp washers. The car also comes with 16-inch 10-spoke alloy wheels and electrically adjustable and retractable ORVMs with built-in turn indicators. Coming to the rear, the Camry offers a large 535-liter boot space as expected from a car of this size. And the space can be further extended by folding down the 60-40 split folding rear seats. The interior of this car is as luxurious and spacious as one would expect from a car in this segment. Even the quality is quite good with generous use of wood, leather and soft touch plastics everywhere. Since most Camry owners are generally chauffeur driven, the rear seat offers plenty of headroom, shoulder room, leg room, along with dedicated cup holders, reading lamps and AC vents for the rear passengers. For a car that is 11 years old, the Camry has plenty of features such as an auto-dimming inside rearview mirror, audio system with 6 CD changer and auxiliary input, dual zone automatic climate control with air ionization technology, and steering mounted controls for audio, aircon and driver's multi-information display. The front passenger and driver both get power adjustable seats. Now let's take the Camry for a spin and see how the car drives. This car is powered by a 2.4-liter VVTi petrol engine with 167 horsepower and 224 Newton meters of torque. This engine is paired with a 5-speed automatic transmission that sends power to the front wheels. And as you can see, the car is very smooth and runs very quietly. The Camry has also always been known for a soft and pillowy ride quality compared to its rivals, which is something we can immediately feel when we start driving the Camry. The car simply glides through most surfaces and only the sharp bumps filter into the cabin. Now for such a large car, you might be thinking that this would be a handful to drive in the city. However, this car comes with a relatively small turning radius of 5.5 meters, which makes it effortless to take U-turns like this and makes it quite easy to maneuver in city traffic. The car also feels very powerful to drive, and as you can see, we are able to do triple digit speeds very easily. Coming to the mileage of this car returns about 7 kilometers per liter, which isn't very bad considering the fact this is such a large car with a 2.4-liter petrol engine and an automatic transmission. This car was able to accelerate to 100 kilometers per hour from standstill in just under 9 seconds, which is still relatively fast for a car in its segment. And Toyota also claims that this car can reach a top speed of 225 kilometers per hour, which isn't very surprising considering this car has such a powerful engine. And if you're concerned about safety, the brakes are very good and feel very sure-footed. The Camry also comes with 6 airbags, ABS with EBD and brake assist, vehicle stability control, and ISOFIX child seat mounts, which makes the Camry a very safe car for you to drive with your family. Now if you like my review of this 2009 Toyota Camry, please click on the like button and make sure to subscribe to Get Set Throttle. Thank you.